Hello, back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a game called Hotel Elephant, and we're gonna be doing a role play.
Yeah.
So,
Alright,
my name's gonna be Jack.
Fake names for this role play.
So here we go. My name's Jack.
Okay. Let's get into it.
Okay. This is gonna be very weird.
3, 2, 1. Alright, Jack, looks like we've arrived.
Yeah, we've arrived
Let's go in and get
to a place called Hotel Elephant. Are there elephants here?
I'm gonna get a room for us, so alright.
Are there elephants here?
Where are you?
Are there elephants here?
I don't think so, Jack. Anyway, let's go to our room to see what it looks like. We're in room 5. Ooh, it has an elevator, because I hate stairs.
Elevator. I go super speed. Boom. Boom, boom.
Yeah, no, just use the stairs too.
Boom, boom.
Alright. So this hotel looks like it could be promising. There's a little cafe, it looks like. I think that's where we eat. Alright, this is room 2. And I found our room. I have the room key. Because Jack's gonna lose the room key.
Let me in. Thank you.
Jack is really weird. Don't jump in front of me. I accidentally.
Guys, shush. 1 second. I'm gonna get into the neighbor's house. Oh no, I can't get in. They locked it. Dang it.
Jack, I literally said we're not gonna steal anything. He has a really bad habit of stealing stuff from other people. Anyway, should we go to explore the rest of the hotel?
I can look at people.
Should we go explore the rest of the hotel first?
Sure. Parkour.
Okay.
Oh, there we
Meet me
go.
at the first floor.
At the what?
On the first floor.
The first floor? I'm on the first floor.
I'm just gonna meet you there.
I want to check downstairs.
I heard there's a casino here. Maybe it's there.
The door won't open for me.
I'm sorry, Jack.
The door won't open for me. Help. What is this? Like, are you... Open.
Where are you?
Open. I'm on the first floor.
Jack, are you really getting stuck in places already?
It's not letting me in.
Come in, quickly.
It's not big enough. No, I can't get in.
Jack, you're so weird. Come in, I opened the door.
Yay. Downstairs. Casino. Casino.
I love the red carpet. Ooh, there's blackjack,
Yay.
lucky slots, and a keno. I don't really gamble, so I'm just gonna see what Jack.
This is me from the future. Just so you know, kids, do not gamble. Back to the video. Okay, so I just got this. I messed up. I shall go again. I messed up again. I shall go again. I messed up again. I should go again. Oh, I need to keep
I
going.
gave you 100 coins.
What?
I gave you 100 coins.
How do you give me
Man,
points?
He'll send the money.
I'm not giving me the thing.
Jack, you're so weird. Alright, anyway, I think I'm gonna go check out. I heard there's a pool. I'm gonna go find it. I think it's on according to the guy, it's on the 5th floor, so I'm just gonna go check it out. I'm in the 5th floor. I mean the 6th floor. Let's go through the 6th floor. Alright. So, here's the pool. Ooh, there's a lot of cannons for Bring, Jack.
Yes.
Jack, I know you're in the casino and I'm calling you, but I found something really weird.
Where?
Let's come up to the pool.
Pool. Where is pool?
The pool is on the 6th floor.
6. Let me get out of here. Okay, there we go. 6.
Are you using the elevator?
I press 6. I on 6th floor. Hello.
Come on, follow me. I was looking at the three mountains and I think I saw something here.
What? Up here?
Up here, yeah. Here.
Is it gonna be like a horror movie or something?
No, I just found this random teddy bear. Some kind of weird fetish just there.
I want it.
Yo, it probably belongs to a little girl who was exploring and left it by accident.
Then I want it.
Come on.
I want it.
Let's go downstairs and let's go.
I risk my life.
I think there's boat riding. Maybe we can go for a boat ride.
Boat? I don't think there's boat riding. I think we have to buy our own boat.
I can buy a boat. Well, I think
Sure.
there's even jet skis that we can use. But I think let's...
Parkour.
There's something called a transportation boat. It's really big. I'm gonna get that one. Come on, come down.
I bet you it's too expensive for what you have right now.
It's only $350. I have $400.
You-
Oopsie! I accidentally bought a different boat instead. I
Wow.
accidentally bought a smaller boat and someone's in it. I wanna go.
Go. Go. Go. Go, please. We're on a holiday and you don't just sit in a boat that you don't own. Please. Bro, there's a dude.
Okay, let's just drive. Ooh, looks like that place. It's so close. Come on, Jack, just stand there. I don't know why this random person got on my boat. But whatever. Okay. So, I'll park it here and then wait for you.
Boo, boo.
Can you get me the keys?
I don't have it. Oh, look at my legs. They're out.
Can you just get me some clothes? I'm gonna wait in the boat.
I can't get some clothes.
Thanks, Jack. This is what friends are for, I guess. Oh, this dude keeps on getting in the boat. I'm just gonna drop off the dude, okay? I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm getting some clothes. So heavy. Okay, I'm coming. Why you leave me?
I'm dropping off the dude who keeps on coming onto my boat. I'll come back for you, Jack. Don't worry.
I died.
Why did you die, Jack?
I'm a ghost now and I'm talking to you.
No, you're not. Come on, Jack. Get back in the boat.
What is this, a game where you fall off into the abyss and then survive and respawn somewhere?
Just get on the boat, Jack. Can you swim back to shore, remember? Right, let's go back. We are going to... We're just kind of floating.
Stop moving.
What's this weird line that's just there? I'm gonna go explore it, Jack. You can go back to the hotel room.
Oh, this is a video game where I can jump off. Wait, is this a video game? Is our life a lie? What is this? I won't die if I fall down to my death.
Oh my gosh, Jack is in that virtual reality game again.
But I promise you, this isn't virtual reality.
Jack, why are you in that virtual reality game again? I told you not to bring it with us.
I didn't. I keep falling off and I keep respawning. You should try it for yourself.
Jack, you're in virtual reality.
I'm not. Jump off of the boat.
No.
Jump off and fall into the abyss right now. Jump off.
No.
Yes.
Alright, fine.
You'll see. Jump off. Jump off. I see you. Jump off.
No, wait. Something's gonna happen to the boat. I know.
Jump off.
Fine, I did it. I did it.
You see, you responded.
That's so weird. Oh wait, I'm in virtual reality. I forgot.
No,
Anyways,
it's not.
I'm joking, Jack. Okay, I'm just gonna go drop these.
Hide and
off.
seek. Try to find me.
I'm apparently a taxi service now, so I'm gonna go drop these people off.
Try to find me. We're playing hide and seek.
Anyways, I'm gonna go to the cafe now. How about you?
I'm playing hide and seek. You have to find me.
I can literally see you.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
Then you have to tag me. I super speed. Parkour. Parkour. Parkour.
I can literally chase you with the boat, Jack. But I'm parking the boat and I'm gonna go and do stuff. Okay.
Parkour. 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 Parkour.
Yeah. I
Parkour.
think I found something weird.
What? Parkour. Parkour.
Hold me, Jack.
What do you mean you found a weird house? I was in that house.
What even is this thing?
I don't know, a house.
Why would there be a house? Wait a minute. I think I saw something when I was driving around. What is? There's a wait. There's a guy there. Why are you just hide? There's a guy there. I don't really. I'm just gonna see what happens. He sells faces.
Bruh.
He sells faces so you can change your face.
Bro, that wouldn't do anything to me. Here, I'm gonna change my face. It didn't do anything to me.
Someone has $11,000 somehow. Who's that rich? Anyways, Jack, this place is weird. I think we should just go back home.
What? How?
It's kind of weird.
How?
There's a weird man selling
How
faces.
do we get home?
The boat that we rented.
Do you not realize that there are lines around us?
Sorry?
Barriers.
No, just get in the boat, bro.
Right here. Don't make me fall off.
Alright, let's go, Jack. Okay, back to the back. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications if you want to see us do more role plays. Bye!
Sure.